Hello students, I Jay Khatri from Macrovision Academy, Burhanpur. In previous video, we have learned about sorting. In this video, I will explain you the concept of filtering and conditional formatting. First of all, I will explain you what do we mean by filtering. Filter data display only the rows that meets criteria that is specified and hides that rows which you don't want to display. After your filter data, you can copy, find, edit, format the subject of filter data without rearranging or moving it. You can also filter by more than one column also. In other words, you can say, with the help of filtering, you can display those data which you want. Now I will explain you how you can apply filtering in MS Excel. Step 1. Click any single cell inside a dataset. Step 2. On the Data tab in the Sort and Filter group, click on Filter option. You can see in this diagram. After that, arrows in the columns header appears. You can see in this diagram. Step 3. Click the arrow next to the country. Step 4. Click on Select All to clear all checkbox and click the checkbox next to the USA. You can see in this diagram. I have select USA option. Step 5. Then click on OK button. You can see in this diagram. After selecting USA, click on OK button. You can see result. Access only displays the sales data in the USA because we have clicked on USA option. Now I will explain you the concept of custom filtering. You can also create custom filter to display data that satisfy more than one condition for a column. Let us consider the same example to display the sales whose country name is USA and quarter is quarter 4. First of all, you have to repeat step 1st to 4th of the previous example and then proceed the following steps. Step 1. Click the arrow next to the quarter. Step 2. Click on Select All to clear all the checkboxes and then click on the checkbox next to the quarter 4. You can see this diagram. Step 3. Click on OK button. After selecting quarter 4, click on OK button. You can see the result. Access only displays sales data in the USA and whose quarter is quarter 4. You can see in this diagram. To remove the filter, click on Clear option. You can see in this diagram. Now I will explain you what is conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is used to highlight any particular cell from a huge database and make worksheet easier to understand. It allows the user to automatically apply formatting such as colors, icons and data bars to one or more cells based on the cell value. Now I will explain you how you can apply conditional formatting in MS Excel. Step 1. Select the cells which you want to add for formatting. Step 2. In the Home tab, click on the conditional formatting command and a drop down menu will appear. Step 3. Select highlight cells rules or top bottom rules. We will choose highlight cell rules for this example. A menu will appear with several rules. Step 4. Select the desired rule. We have selected greater than rule. Step 5. From the dialog box, enter a value in the space provided, if applicable. In this example, we want to format cells that are greater than $5,000. So we will enter 5,000 as a value. If you want, you can enter a cell reference instead of a number. Step 6. Select a formatting style from the drop-down menu. We have selected yellow fit with dark yellow text style. You can see in this diagram. Step 7. The formatting will apply to the selected cells. You can see in this diagram. whose value is more than $5,000, they have select with yellow color. So dear students, I hope you understood the concept of filtering and conditional formatting. Thank you.